Do you need to replace the Palmrest keyboard assembly on your Alienware x17 R2? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Then disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Next, disconnect the DC jack cable. Next, unsnap the locking tabs to disconnect the left and right LED cables. Now unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the camera cable. Now unscrew and slide off the rear I/O board cover. Then unscrew and remove the DC jack bracket. And now remove the DC jack. Then disconnect the audio jack cable. Now disconnect the input-output board cable. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the power button cable. Now remove the audio port. Then disconnect and remove the speakers. Then disconnect the left cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove the left cooling fan. Next, disconnect the right cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove the right cooling fan. Next, unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard controller cable. Next, unsnap the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Next, unscrew and remove the heat pipe. Now unscrew the left and right LCD hinges from the bottom and then the top. Then remove the LCD display assembly. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard controller cables. Next, unscrew and remove the keyboard controller. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew and remove the touchpad. Next, unscrew the heatsink and motherboard. Now remove the motherboard and heatsink. Now unscrew and remove the power button. Then unscrew and remove the input-output board. The remaining piece is the Palmrest keyboard assembly. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.